How to enable voice access on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can enable voice access on Samsung Galaxy phone. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to enable the voice access onto your Samsung phone, just head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to find the option called accessibility. Just tap on accessibility. After tapping on it, you'll be finding different kind of options here. You're just gonna look up for the option called interaction and dexterity. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be finding the option called voice access on the third below here under assistant menu. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll get this option. You just need to turn on this option in order to enable it. You can find this allow voice access to have full control on your phone. Just tap on allow and confirm it. After that, the voice access is turned on. If you want the shortcut of the voice access, just turn it on like this and it will appear on your screen. Like tap on allow and tap on the accessibility button at the bottom, and that's how you basically enable the voice access onto your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.